Here we are, Nick's car to be mapped. We've got Mark here, Mr. Ninja. It's come for a tweak, it's got new ECU, Haltech ECU, so completely redone, so yeah, just needs mapping.
Plastic, damaged metal.
Apparently so, but
You probably might chip the tip.
everything was, well, just column that took it apart, and you couldn't find anything that's obvious. He said there was no detonation marks or anything. It's just, and that was the only thing that was missing.
Yeah, can we have power and talk, please? Nice. Yeah, now we can see how the torque drops off and quite flat power line, but nice broad power. Well guys, that was the end of the mapping session on the Haltech. New ECU, single turbo, street port rebuilded. Yeah, 370 at the fly, 0.8 bar. There is a boost control issue. We can't. The boost, I think it's on wastegate spring. No matter what we did to the duty cycle, didn't change it. So I think, yeah, the owner's got to have a look at that. And I think we got flow restriction on the intercooler as well, because it's got like a plateau. Power seems to like flatline from about 7, and on the street pool you expect it to carry on going up in at least till 8. So yeah, a couple of things for the owner to do, but good result. 370 at the fly, 0.8 bar. Yeah, pretty good.